Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to update your Figma desktop app. Keeping your Figma application up to date ensures you have access to the latest features, bug fixes, and performance improvements. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Figma application on your desktop. Once the app launches, you'll be taken to the home page where you can see all your recent files and projects. This is your starting point for checking whether there are any updates available for your application. Now take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a small arrow pointing downward. Click on this arrow to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, you'll need to select the option that says Check for Updates. This is the command that tells Figma to scan for any new versions that might be available for download. After clicking Check for Updates, Figma will take a moment to connect to its servers and verify whether your current version is up to date. This process usually happens quickly, so you shouldn't have to wait long. Once the check is complete, the app will display a notification showing you if there are any updates available for your Figma desktop application. If the system detects that a newer version is available, you'll see a button that says either Install or Update. The exact wording may vary depending on your operating system and the version of Figma you're currently running, but the function is the same. Go ahead and click on this button. Once you do, Figma will begin downloading and installing the latest version automatically. Depending on the size of the update and your internet speed, this might take a few moments, so just be patient while the installation completes. And that's it. Your Figma desktop app is now updated and ready to use with all the latest improvements and features. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.